Alright guys, if you're wondering why I'm filming this, it's because we're about to take the car apart. So I know it's been 10 months since we put out a video, and there's plenty of good reasons for that. A lot has gone on. We now no longer live in Hawaii. We have moved to Vegas, and we got the cars here. We have the DB8 and we have the Type R. They both made it fairly safely. Nisa's car had a couple issues with the wheels, but we're getting that handled. But wanted to give you guys a heads up on what we're doing. So we ran into a problem when we were in Hawaii, and we had an issue with the head. So I had to pull the head off, and after Spocom, because the car was running on 3 cylinders, and it was because the valve seat was damaged on the #1 cylinder. So I had to take the head off and have it fixed, have it repaired. So I had it repaired, and then I went ahead and put the head back in. But I think when we torqued the head on, or when I torqued the head on, the head stud continued to go down, and it basically pushed on the bottom of the hole and pushed down, and you know, as you're tightening down the head, it cracked the block. So I could drive the car for about, I don't know, 45 minutes before it overheats. It runs perfectly fine. Just, you know, the coolant comes out and then we end up with issues. So what we're gonna do is yank the engine out. It's gonna get replaced. We're taking the trans off. We're swapping the diff out, and then we're going to rebuild the engine, rebuild the trans, add a couple go fast parts to it, and see what she does.
Really fast.
Shh, you're not here.
I don't see.
So yeah, that's where we're going with it right now. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and time lapse us taking the car apart.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice.
What's up, Eric?
What's up, Jeremy?
Hey, look, we couldn't get the engine out the other night. We had to stop what we were doing because we needed a wrench. Where's that wrench at? Right there.
Right there.
We needed that one to get those guys off.
Not big enough.
No, you came up short, dog.
Damn.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and time lapse the rest of taking the engine out, and then yeah, you can see how it goes.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Bit of weird shit in the background. You start laughing, you know.
You mean like this? On this episode of Fuck Around and Find Out, we have no engine.
You see anything wrong here, Ted? We don't have any engines, do we? All right.
All right, so we gotta get the harness off, the starter, we gotta get the trans out. All right, that's undone. That's undone. I'm gonna need a 10 mil. All these wires. Okay, so the harness just has a ground wire holding it in and the injector wiring. There's the map sensor. Yeah, no, 10 socket if can. And then all that's left now. Oh, whoa, look at this. What is this? Oh, wow. If you want to purchase one of these, catch the link in the description below.
No, not a shameless plug.
Not a shameless plug at all. Yeah, unplug these gargantuan injectors. $2,200cc injectors, and I still get like 25 miles to the gallon. Will Jeremy be able to get the last one while holding the camera? Yes. Okay, the whole harness is almost out except for the one pinwheel. There it is. So for you people that want to know what harness I run a RYWIRE harness. I've only ran RYWIRE. No, not because other companies suck or anything like that. I just have a really good relationship with Ryan and RYWIRE, so I choose to run them, and I've never had any issues. And this harness has been in the car since 2012, I believe. Yes, 2012. So it's gone 10 years without an issue. So, and then I have the RYWIRE coil on plug harness, which is still attached with the 12 mil. So where's that 12 mil wrench? Yeah. I got it. Okay. This is what we're working with in this garage right here. See this? Basic hand tools until the pod shows up. So this guy's got to come off. I'll give you a sneak peek at this thing too, because a lot of people always ask me, what kind of distributor is that? I'll show you. So this is a B16 distributor. Here, can you hold this one? Thanks. It's a B16 distributor. It has been milled down into a circle with a cup that's been welded together with a top and powder coated and thrown back on. There it is.
101 custom.
101 custom. So now we just need that 12 mil. Just take this off and then the whole distributor comes out.
That's his own harness too?
Yeah. Sick. Yeah, and since it's pinned together for power and RPM signal, I don't like to take it apart, so it's all one piece.
Sick.
Yeah. Okay, so now, where are the Allens? Where are the Allens? Oh, they're right there, the red box. So we need this. Thanks, Anthony, from 3DP. Gotta take this guy off, which is not a different
you guys right now, if you don't want to mess up your beautiful color fittings, get an Allen wrench. Don't be like me. Crescent wrench and electrical tape.
Oh man, I'm gonna need a pry bar.
Really tight fit.
Yeah. There it is. Yeah, you gotta make sure they're tight.
Off the thermostat also.
No, you ever seen that, right? It's like the
There it is.
like the pipe wrench, but it's like yeah.
Yep, please.
There's one in my bag. So.
Snap ring price?
Yep.
I'll tell you what, Harbor Freight. I love my tools from Harbor Freight.
Okay, it doesn't come off and grab it.
About to go shopping for some tools. Kind of, because you got your big box coming soon.
Yeah. Didn't bring in my box.
December. You guys already know downstar everything, so this is gonna take a little while to remove.
Dirty this thing goes.
It's okay though. Use and abuse, right? Use and abuse. He drives the car, exactly.
I drive it and break it most of the time.
Yeah, well, you already know the saying, right? Exactly.
You do rolling shots now. Oh, you do rolling shots.
Is that on a gimbal? No, it's on a Harbor Freight. It's on a Harbor Freight,
Alright, pry bar.
When you move your whole home and you don't have your main stuff here to the new house yet, you just gotta improvise.
Yeah, you gotta make do, yeah.
Make do with what you have.
You're here? You're there, yeah? I said, okay. Alright. Like, see how the trash goes apart. I never seen how you take it apart.
Never seen how trash goes apart?
Nope. I've never seen how you take it apart.
Alright, well, I need a half inch wrench.
Half inch, big socket wrench.
mechanism?
This is the shift selector, and it looks like the other two bolt holes are fucked up now too, but on the shift selector I also have it pinned, and I have it wedged. So I have this gusset piece here, and then I have pins in here to keep all this closed.
But now it's just fucking up the case.
No, bolts are just, I mean, the shit's been in and out of this trans case a lot, so I'm not surprised that some of the bolts are being fucked up. This is all I needed.
That one thing.
One thing. To get everything out to get that.
Wait, one thing. Oh, last thing.
I just gotta take the ring gear off and then put it in the box. And then this is gusset. To keep it from flexing.
Because they bend, yeah?
Yeah, they do.
Doesn't MFactory sell a shift selector? That thing. Aftermarket.
Dude, looking about Q series, blow them up and
Yeah, there's a lot. These series, we put up all shit.
That's back there.
was that reverse?
Yeah, I'm only putting everything back just so I don't have to store it.
You don't need that reverse gear.
No, you gotta hold this shit on. I'm just gonna put it like that.
Just push your car out backwards.
Be about it. That's robbing you of horsepower.
Be about it.
Be about it. Well, you're not gonna use this transmission case for much longer anyway. Hello?
Okay, guys, we just took apart the transmission. It's here in the corner. It's here. The next time you see the engine and trans, we will be taking the engine completely apart and rebuilding the transmission with the new diff and putting in some goodies at the same time. So, with that being said, I will see you when we work on this pile of crap one more time. All right, stay tuned. Like.